Hello guys, welcome to another simple but tutorial. Requirements are just you and your GitHub account. And phone number, no deployment needed. Search for malvin-xd. Please give it a if you are new or haven't. Report the repo. Create a fork. Select mini deploy. This month, it will be free ads. I will host free credits giveaway, free. Also subscribing will also get you free coins too. Select start free trade. Continue with GitHub. Authorize XD King 2. As you can see, you have 2 days worth of connection points. You can also refer friends and earn credits by sharing with friends. You can customize most of your bot setups here in your dashboard. Enter your phone number to connect.
Everybody knows
Copy
that I'm
code,
breaking down.
MB copy
Everybody
manual
knows I'm
as the
faking
copy
now.
button not working
Everybody
at the
knows
moment.
my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside.
That's all, and enjoy the bot.
I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone. I'm alright. It's so cold.
If your bot stopped working, just go to your dashboard. You will see a start button. Click it, your bot will run again. More info videos will come shortly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.